A big thank you for making ITMA 2023 such a big success. It thanks to you, all the exhibitors, the visitors, the bellwether and the young talents that will mark the next decade and centuries to come and to make our industry so successful. It was overdue that we had to meet and greet. The warm handshakes, the embraces, and everybody meeting each other after the dry period of the pandemic. It was a very successful show, and this only thanks to you, the visitors and the exhibitors alike. We will see each other again at ITMA 2027 in Hanover in September 27. And I'm looking forward to meeting you all there in a new setting, but with the same spirit. Thank you very much.